Ready to start earning? Unlock exciting rewards. Cash Romeo, where is your path to rewards? With Cash Romeo, you can turn everyday moments into incredible earning opportunities. From watching entertaining videos that make you laugh or keep you on the edge of your seat, to exploring innovative apps that introduce you to new technologies and trends, and take surveys that let you share your valuable opinions, Cash Romeo offers a variety of fun tasks that make earning easy and enjoyable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a way to pass the time, there's something for everyone. Each completed task is like a step closer to your treasure chest of rewards, making every moment spent worthwhile. Imagine turning your idle moments into opportunities to earn extra cash or exciting prizes, turning idle time into something truly valuable. With Cash Romeo, your smartphone becomes a gateway to endless possibilities and rewards, making every click and swipe count. Step into Cash Romeo's gaming zone, test your skills, conquer challenges, and turn your gameplay into real-world rewards. The more you play, the more you earn. It's that simple. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, Cash Romeo fits seamlessly into your schedule. Engage whenever and wherever it's convenient for you. Your time, your pace, your rewards. Start your journey to financial freedom, all while having fun. Download Cash Romeo today and let the rewards roll in. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Cash Romeo or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Did you find it easy to use? Or did you encounter any challenges? Maybe you discovered some tips and tricks along the way that could help others. Whether your experience was positive or negative, your feedback is invaluable. Drop a comment below and share your story. Your insights could really help others who are considering trying out these apps. Let's create a community where we can all learn from each other's experiences and grow together. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content and found it valuable. If you did, please consider supporting us by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more people who might benefit from our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We upload new and exciting content regularly, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Stay tuned for more interesting videos, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day, and thanks again for your support.